What if you could watch your thoughts without getting caught up in them? Let's explore this together. Welcome to day 22 of the Transform 365 challenge. This week, we are diving into mindfulness and emotional awareness, learning how to stay present and better understand our inner world. Today's practice is all about observing your thoughts without any judgment. We often get so caught up in our thoughts that they start to control us. But what if you could step back and simply watch them, like clouds passing in the sky? This practice helps you become aware of your thought patterns while creating space between you and your mind. Let's break it down step by step. Start by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Sit comfortably with your back straight, feet flat on the ground, or cross legged on the ground. You can also lie down if that feels better for you. Close your eyes and take deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Allow your breathing to settle into its natural rhythm and bring your attention inwards. Now imagine that your mind is a clear blue sky and your thoughts are like clouds passing through it. Some clouds might be big and heavy, while others are small and light. Your job is not to chase the clouds or push them away. It's simply to observe them as they come and go. If you notice a thought like, I forgot to reply to that email, acknowledge it by saying to yourself, that's a thought about work, and then let it drift away like a cloud. If a memory or worry pops up, label it gently. That's a memory, that's a worry. There is no need to engage with it, just let it float by. It's completely normal for your mind to wander during this practice. That's part of being human. When you notice yourself getting caught up in a thought, gently bring your attention back to observing without judgment. You don't have to jump into every car, you just watch them go by. Practice this for 5 to 10 minutes. Set a timer for 5 minutes and commit to observing your thoughts during this time. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. The goal is to simply notice what comes up without attaching any meaning or judgment to it. Observing your thoughts without judgment helps you build awareness of recurring thought patterns that may be holding you back. They create space between your thoughts and reactions so you can respond more intentionally. It helps you develop emotional awareness by noticing how certain thoughts make you feel. This practice is especially helpful if you tend to overthink or feel overwhelmed easily. It gives you the tools to step back and regain your control. Take 5 minutes today to observe your thoughts like clouds passing in the sky. What did you notice? Were there any recurring patterns or surprising insights? Share your experience in the comments or post about it using the hashtag Transform365. I'd love to hear how this practice worked for you.